Making the panel for the side of the fridge. I'm trying this graph out that I've made from the top of the fridge, measuring each 100, hoping that it comes together and then transfer it onto the board for the top. Let's see. So I've made up my template. I made the top separate to the bottom of the fridge. Just made it easier. Cut it out. Measured every 100, as you can see the lines, and then it gave me the marks across. Measured them each 100. There's my plyboard, 18mm thick wall, so it doesn't bend. There it is, all nicely in there. 5mm from the glass, so it can still slide. Silicone on the top and down the sides, but this will be the shower wall also. Next to do the other side, and the top.